A peacock suddenly came to home. Peacock is just a beautiful bird, but it bothers people a lot. Don't be like a peacock, be an eagle.